In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your organization profile. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, but I'll also explain what you're looking at on each screen. You feel confident making changes on your own. This is especially useful if you're an admin or someone responsible for keeping your company details up to date. First, make sure you're logged into your workspace. On the main interface, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile or organization icon there. This area is your gateway to all account-related settings. Go ahead and click that icon. If you're not sure which one it is, hover over the icons in the bottom left until you see something related to your account or profile. That's the one you want. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options related to your account. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is where all the core configuration for your account and organization lives. Click on Account Settings. If a panel or a new page opens, give it a second to load so everything appears correctly. Inside Account Settings, you'll find different sections such as your personal profile, notifications, and billing. For this tutorial, we're focused on the organizational level, not just your personal details. Look for the section or tab labeled Organization Account. This is where you can manage settings that affect the entire workspace rather than just your own user account. Click on Organization Account to open it. After you open the Organization Account section, you'll see options that relate specifically to your company or team, like its name, branding, and general information. Among these options, find and click on Organization Profile. This is the dedicated area where you can review and update the core profile of your organization. Once you're in the organization profile, this is typically where you can adjust things such as your organization name, logo, contact details, and sometimes regional settings like time zone or default language, depending on the platform's features. Take a moment to carefully review everything. If you make any updates, always look for a save or apply button before navigating away, so you don't lose your changes. That's all you need to access and unmud and you manage your organization profile. By following these steps, you can quickly get back here anytime you need to keep your organization information accurate and professional.